You are going to love the 2017 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.
To ensure the highest quality, this Land Rover Select certified pre-owned vehicle passed a rigorous multi-point inspection. Experience unprecedented coverage with Land Rover Select Certified Limited Warranty. Land Rover Certified Select Vehicles. Our standards are up to yours.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.